Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to swipe for pop-up view on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So in order to do it, you need to go to the settings, then scroll down to advanced features. Then find multi-window and enable slide for pop-up view. So it'll open the floating windows. When you enable that, you can also click on it to change the top corner area, so it actually displays the area up here in the corners. I like to have it at large because I'm not sure why I'm just not able to do it with the smaller sizes. So with the large one, I can just slide from the top, like towards the middle of the screen. Now I can select the size of the window I want to have, and this will open the pop-up window, also called the floating window. And this is basically how it works. You can move it, you can just use your phone as well. You can also resize it, so let's make it smaller like that. I can click on the bar to open some options here or close them. I can also use it for split view or other things. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.